Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your WeTravel account to make a payment on your pilgrimage. In order to make a payment on your pilgrimage, you will need to first log into your WeTravel account. You can log in two ways. First, by opening up your internet browser and typing in wetravel.com. Sign in with your email address and password that you used when you first booked your trip. The second way to log in to your WeTravel account is by locating your booking confirmation email that you received from Trinity Tour Travels when you booked your trip. Simply do this by searching either Trinity Tour Travels or Booking Confirmation in the email account search bar. Once you retrieve the email, scroll down and click Manage Your Booking. You will need to sign into WeTravel with the same email address used in the confirmation email you received from Trinity Tour Travels. You will also need to provide your password. Once you are logged into your account, click Manage Booking. Then click Pay Balance Due on the right side of the screen. The final balance is due 90 days prior to departure. Make sure and click Confirm Payment to complete your transaction.